Hey guys, I hope you are well and happy. Welcome to this video where I'm going to do a quick and easy tutorial of this set right here. I am obsessed with this set. I love it so much. So Born Pretty sent over some PR for me to show you guys. There is 4 Hema Free X jelly gels and 1 box of their base coat. So I hadn't tried their base coat, so thank you so much for sending it over, Born Pretty. And I'm going to unbox these for you right now and swatch them and then get into the design. So the first one is Glitter Jelly 07. So the ingredients and all that are at the back of the bottle, and it is a 15 ml bottle, so nice and big. This is the colour right here. It is absolutely stunning. So first coat here, I'm going to do 2 coats of all of these, except for one of the polishes I have to do 3, but I'll show you that as we go on. This is the first coat here, which is perfect, and I'm going to pop it into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds and then come back and do the second one. So next up is Glitter Jelly 03, and this has a gorgeous holographic glitter going through it, but it is one of those that would be perfect for a French base. This is the first coat right here, and I'm going to show you the second coat. This is very similar to one of their polishes from the Jelly Nude, so if you're looking for a Hema free version, I'm going to show you the comparison a little bit later on in the video. So this is it here, absolutely gorgeous. I love these kind of polishes. Next up we have Milky Jelly 03, and this is a pastel pink. Now this is the one that needed 3 coats altogether at the end. I did decide to go and do 3 because I felt like you couldn't see the colour pay off in 2 coats, and I kind of wanted it to be realistic. So if you need to build it up in 3, I just wanted to do 3. So yeah, pastels are hard to do, but this would have been my least favourite out of the bunch, I have to say. It is a pretty colour once you build it up, but yeah, pastels are tough. So this is the comparison here. On the left is the Jelly Nude 63 and on the right is the new Hema Free version. So you can see they're really similar. So if you have these colours and you did want a Hema Free version, that one is perfect. That's the pink then after the 3 swatches. And then we went on to Milky Jelly 05. And this is just a gorgeous jelly nude. So again, whenever I paint on a colour like this, I am thinking base for a French, especially if you like a darker nude as your base, more on the brown side. Yeah, this would be perfect. And also if you just want a base like this just for, you know, a plain colour set with maybe a bit of nail art on a couple of accent fingers, that is absolutely perfect. So we do have the super base gel as well. I haven't tried this, so I opened it up just to show you, and it is nice and thick. I prefer my base gels a little bit thick. I hate when they're runny. I just don't get on with those runny base gels. And these are the 4 swatches. My 2 absolute favourites are in the middle. So this is what I used to make the set. So now guys, for the fun part, we're going to go in and do a design, and we are going to use the 2 glitter jelly colours in this collection. And I'm going to start off by using the blue colour, and we are going to paint 2 coats of each of these colours on the nail, and we are going to pop it into the lamp to cure between each coat for 60 seconds. So these were my 2 favourite colours in that collection that was sent to me, or sorry, not collection, but the group of polishes that was sent to me. And I always go for glitter. I love glitter so much. And we're also going to use a couple of charms, and we're kind of going for that Japanese Korean type style that is so beautiful. And yeah, that's the inspo for this set. These colours are so beautiful. I would do a full set of just that blue with maybe a couple of little accents or maybe a couple of stones or something, just that blue. It is stunning. Also, I meant to say that I did prep these nails by wiping them down with acetone to completely remove the shine from the nail. And yeah, so that's what I did to prep these nails, but these are going to be just for the sake of design purposes. If I was going to make a set of press-ons, I probably would have gone in with a base coat there, because I'm only doing 2 coats polish, so it definitely would have needed the base coat. This is what it looks like. Into the lamp.
I'm in with some rhinestone glue to bond the stones, and this is my favourite glue. I love it so much. So it works perfectly for the charms and all that stuff.
Okay, so we're going to go in first with the ring finger, and we are going to pop a decent sized amount of glue on this. So here we go. I'm going to pop it down just kind of in the middle like this. So I'm picking up this with my tweezers. This is the charm. It is absolutely, I was dying to use these as well. Just going to drop it down there. I'm actually going to move it with my glove and make sure that, sometimes I like to move it around just to make sure that the glue is right stuck in to the charm, if you know what I mean. And then for the ring finger, we're going to do exactly the same. So we're going to pop some closer to the top, this. Here we go. So kind of around here, and a decent amount as well, because this charm is a little bit bigger.
So that looks good.
So I am just going to pop that there. On you go. I'm just going to like place it at a side angle like so. And like that, make sure it's kind of pushed down into the gel. And that is so pretty. Look at that. And I'm going to go in and top coat this one, because this one is all done, and I'm going to top coat over that charm, just because that type of gold charm could discolor very easily, and also it'll help lock in this charm, and along with the glue, hopefully it won't come off. I'm going to just paint around this one, so I'm just going to like paint up to the charm for this one, and I am just going to make sure that every other part of the nail is top coated like this, and then I'm going to pop this into cure. So let me know if you would wear a set like this. Do you like these types of charms? It's not something that I would put on my nails too often, if I'm honest, but I absolutely love these types of sets, and I love looking at inspo of these. Start off slow when you don't want to go too crazy on charms and things like that. Just adding one or two like this into your set is the perfect place to go. Okay, I'm just going to top coat the rest of these now. I'm going to leave these blue nails just plain, because I think there's enough detail going on with the two colours and also the two charms. So let me know what you think of these nails, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the little swatching, and I hope you enjoyed the design as well. I am going to leave the link for the Born Pretty discount in the description. It's for 10% off, and out of the whole lot, my favourite are definitely these two colours, and then comes the nude colour also. I think that would be great for French tip, especially if you like a little darker nude for the French tip base. And I also love the pink, but it does need 3 coats in my opinion, just to let you know that. But anyways, I'm gonna go, and thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.